Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chantal. So today we are going to finish this rooftop. If you didn't see part 1 of this video, check it out, the link is above. So we've already got quite a few things in place. We've painted the rooftop, we've got the plants in, we've got some furniture, but there's so much more to do to finish this space and get it to the level that I really want to be. I'm trying to create this beautiful outdoor oasis, and there's so many little finishing touches that we need to do to get it there. Also, I do offer virtual interior design services for interior and exterior spaces. So if you're wanting some help in elevating your space, whether that's inside or outside, let me know. My links are in the bio below. All right, let's get started. If you haven't done already, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell for new video releases. Alright, so let's just do a really quick recap of where things were, or where we left things off. So this is the space as we started, the before. And in the first video, we got the plants in and made everything look really lush. And we also brought in some furniture, dining table, coffee table, and we went through the process of getting some little Buddha statues made and a water fountain. Okay, so the first thing that I did on this second part of the journey was to do something with this wall. I decided that I wanted to create a mural on this wall because it's such a huge wall and it's the approach just before you get to the rooftop. I wanted to create a kind of feeling of, oh, we're just about to get into the rooftop space, and to pull it all together rather than just having this big blank wall or even just have a painting. So I found this artist on Facebook Marketplace and we worked together to kind of think about the image that I wanted on there. I wanted it to have more of a scenic feel, so lush plants all around, and that feeling of it being quite typically Bali or Indonesia as well. I didn't want to go for something poppy or modern. And this was the end result. It's really hard on this video to show you the scale of the wall, but it is so big. And it also carries on to the other side. There's a bit of a wall there, which is really nice because it just looks like an extension of the outside. I think he did such an amazing job, and I'm so glad that we decided to do this because it really brings the space alive. I just want to show you the scale of it. Like, this is me stood next to it. The guy, the boy, is bigger than me, and the mural stretches right up to the top of the wall. It's so big. Okay, so shopping. There's still a few things to do and buy to finish this space. One of the things that I really want is some lanterns. I toyed between the first set that you saw there, the modern, and then these, which are more traditional. And I decided to go with more traditional lanterns. I just felt that it was more in keeping with that traditional Balinese garden type look I'm going for. I then went shopping for umbrellas or pergolas because the sun is so hot up in the rooftop, and I decided to go for a really bright blue umbrella.
How are you?
I'm good. Oh jeez. This is the guy delivering the cushions that I ordered and the umbrella, of course, on his bike. Everything is done on the bike over here. No matter how big or what the shape it is, it's going on the bike. The next thing I go shopping for is to get a tray for the pergola or the daybed. I want to be able to relax there, to work, somewhere to have my laptop or put a drink. So I'm just looking for a small little tray or a little table that can go on the pergola. I go into this shop because they have some really cute pieces, but I don't find exactly what I want. Either they're too small or they're too big. But the guy agrees to make something for me, which is really good. I give him a description of what I want, and then within a day or two it's made, and this is what I got. So it's just really simple, made of teak wood in black, and it's just going to be perfect to put in my little drink and rest of my little things. The next thing that I bought was a rug, and I had this rug shipped over or flew over from Australia because I struggle so much to find a really bright, colourful outdoor rug, which is what I really wanted. So I was so pleased when it came. It's made of recycled plastic and it's perfect for the outside. It's really going to brighten up the space, both under the table and the coffee table. So then I get set to work on the pergola, and I've basically just changed the cushions using the same materials that I've used on the sofa. And then I've just added some fabric to provide some screening and also to make it look really pretty around the sides. Then I'm just adding some lights because this is just gonna illuminate the place, give it a really nice aesthetic, and I'm also adding some lights to the dining area. So it's gonna look beautiful when it's all lit up at night and provide a beautiful ambience. Now it's time to get into styling, which is my favourite bit. Pulling everything together, all the little details, all the finishing touches that are gonna make it look amazing. So I put the rug in, put the table back. It's so heavy and I'm here by myself today, but you know, we do it. And then just styling. I've got little things really which I've shopped around the house for, and a couple of little things that I've just bought. I really like shopping around the house because there's always things you can find. And then I add some cushions. So I got some fabric when I went on a recent trip to Jakarta, and I had these cushions made. Getting the cushions exactly how I want them is always a bit of an ordeal, and no doubt I'll be back and forth here for a while, so we'll move on. So now I'm just adding some layers to make things more interesting. I found a really beautiful table runner, and I just want a few pieces for the table, some placemats, a small little lantern, cute little bowl, and a plant. Just to add some interest and to make the table look really finished and lived in. Just the final little touches. This is probably my favourite piece that I've got for out here. It's these hands, which is an incense burner, and I just love it. I think it's so unique and beautiful. Alright, so a quick reminder of what the space looked like before. And after, totally transformed. This rooftop is definitely now my favourite place in the whole villa. It's just such a vibe up here. I could spend hours in this space. I love it. I love the fact that it's got different zones, and it also feels like as you're coming up the stairs and you can see this beautiful mural, it's a real extension of the space. Like, it really brings you into the outdoors. The plants have really just made the space what it is and really filled it out beautifully. But then all the other elements, the statues, the antique furniture, the fabrics, they've all just really worked well together. So the rooftop is in a sort of an L shape, and it's split into different zones. So this zone is for dining, al fresco obviously. So you have the dining table here and these two beautiful benches, which, if you didn't see the first video, were made from antique timber. And then we have some beautiful lighting. This is the side where the sun sets in the evening. So it's really pretty as the lights go down. And then we have the other side. This is the side where the sun rises in the morning. I actually try to get up here as often as I can. It's pretty early though, because the views are just spectacular. This is where we have the sofa, so it's more of a chill zone. We've also got the day bed, which is perfect for just couching or even working in actually. It's just a perfect spot just to be. We're absolutely blessed in Bali to have some spectacular sunsets, and this rooftop is such a great place to watch them. The lights up here come alive as the sun starts to go down, and I love the fact that there's different light sources creating beautiful, pretty ambience. So we've got some lighting, some little lanterns on this little tree here, and they are so pretty. We've also got the lanterns on the floor. So just bringing that light on different levels and in different sources is a really great way to keep things interesting. Okay, so that's it for the rooftop. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Let me know if you have any questions at all, if I've missed anything. I'll be happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and a quick reminder to please like the video, share it if you think it's going to be helpful to someone, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to do a full tour of the whole villa coming up real soon, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, catch you soon.